And I like nature. Yeah, guys, me and my dad, I'm not going to put him in the camera because he does not like to be, he doesn't want to try to be famous. But, yeah, we're out. Can I at least get like the back of your head? 'Cause in order to show the whole thing. Okay, I'll show this side. Yeah, this is basically this is basically Dallas. House, water support, house, and a few dams. That's legitimate what it is. But still, I've never done this before. Normally what I do is house vlogs. But still, it's something new, so. But, yeah. I don't really know what to talk about. But people, you need to stop doing this. This is bullcrap. Don't trash in the dams. That's not cool. That's bullcrap. I'm serious. I'm serious. Teenage Ninja Turtle. Turtle in a house shell. Turtle power. The forest from Slender. Like earlier when I had it off camera, when I was pointing at me, we were legitimately in the forest of Slender. What you looking at, Dad?
Nest up there.
Aww. Oh, Dad! So this is where we're at. This is basically all it is. And that's what I was talking about earlier, pollution. Turn pollution down to zero. Nah.